So in the past few months, I've spent countless hours testing all the most popular funnel builders on the market, and I've narrowed it down to my top 4. In this video, I'm going to walk you through each of them and tell you exactly which one is the best choice for your specific needs. I've even created complete step-by-step tutorials for every funnel builder mentioned in this video. So once you've decided which one is right for you, you can use these tutorials to build your first funnel from scratch. You'll find all of them down below in the video description. The first funnel builder on the list is Systeme.io. Systeme.io is geared towards beginners and individuals who are looking for an affordable all-in-one platform to run their online business. It includes funnel building, email marketing with automation workflows, online courses with drip content, community building tools, and webinars all in one platform. You also get blog functionality and creator stores, which are essentially link in bio pages, similar to Linktree, where you can consolidate all your links in one mobile optimized page. Systeme.io offers a few hundred templates to choose from, covering different funnel types like lead magnets, webinars, and product launches. There's a free plan which allows you to create up to 3 funnels with 15 funnel steps and up to 2,000 contacts. What makes this free plan particularly good is that you can connect your own custom domain. With most other platforms, you need a paid plan to do this. One limitation with Systeme.io is that it doesn't have many integrations. Currently, it only integrates with these 6 tools. So if you already have a tech stack, you probably won't be able to integrate with Systeme.io. Overall, I think Systeme.io is a great option if you're just starting out with funnels or if you have a limited budget. It's perfect if you're building a simple lead magnet funnel. For example, if you're offering a free PDF guide or checklist to capture emails, the free plan gives you everything you need to get started. Now, by the way, these platforms are not ranked in any particular order. They are all great, but for different use cases. Next up is ClickFunnels, one of the most popular funnel builders on the market. Like Systeme.io, it's a complete all-in-one platform with email marketing, course hosting, and a full suite of tools. ClickFunnels includes Smart Checkout, which helps optimize your payment pages for conversions, a message hub for unified customer communications, appointment scheduling, and detailed analytics dashboards. You also get A/B testing built in, so you can test different variations of your funnels to see which performs better. To create a funnel in ClickFunnels, you have 2 options. You can build from scratch or choose from their pre-designed templates. ClickFunnels typically offers 4 to 7 template variations per use case. So for example, if you want to build a VSL funnel, you can choose between these 6 template designs. What sets ClickFunnels apart is its drag and drop editor. If you want to build a funnel from scratch, ClickFunnels has one of the easiest editors to use. It comes with these pre-built sections that you can just drag into your funnel. ClickFunnels doesn't offer a free plan, but they do have a 14-day free trial. For pricing, ClickFunnels starts at $97 per month for the launch plan, which currently includes unlimited funnels, 10,000 contacts, 50,000 emails per month, and 5 custom domains. The scale plan is $197 per month, and the optimized plan is $297 per month with more capacity. The main drawback of ClickFunnels is the higher price point and the 10,000 contact limit on the base plan. If you're growing fast, you might need to upgrade sooner than with other platforms. Overall, I think ClickFunnels is a great option if you want to build custom funnels with an intuitive editor. It's better suited for more complex offers. If you're selling a high-ticket online course with a video sales letter, multiple upsells, and order bumps, ClickFunnels gives you the tools to build that entire sequence easily. Coming in at number 3 is GoHighLevel, the most advanced all-in-one marketing software on this list with over 300 features. GoHighLevel is designed as a complete marketing system with funnel building, a full CRM with pipeline management, SMS marketing capabilities, email marketing, automations, and everything needed to manage client campaigns. The platform also includes reputation management tools for collecting reviews and a complete calendar and booking system. The funnel builder supports multi-step funnels, memberships, and agency-level funnels. GoHighLevel has the most funnel templates of any tool in this video, offering over 900 templates across different industries and use cases, making it easy to get started quickly. One major advantage of GoHighLevel is that you get unlimited contacts and unlimited users on any plan. While ClickFunnels limits you to 10,000 contacts on their base plan and Systeme.io limits you to 2,000 on the free plan, GoHighLevel lets you have as many contacts as you need from day one. GoHighLevel also has an AI feature that can build an entire funnel automatically based on your requirements, which can save significant time when building funnels for multiple clients. What makes GoHighLevel particularly useful is its focus on local physical businesses. You get pre-built snapshots with templates for different types of local businesses, such as dental practices, plumbing companies, gyms, real estate agencies, and more. These snapshots include pre-configured funnels, automations, and workflows designed for specific industries. You can also fully white label the platform, meaning agencies can rebrand it as their own software with custom domains and branding. GoHighLevel typically offers a 14-day free trial, but through the link in the description, you can get an extended 30-day free trial. The pricing starts at $97 per month for the starter plan with a maximum of 3 sub-accounts. The Agency Unlimited plan is $297 per month with unlimited sub-accounts. The biggest challenge with GoHighLevel is the learning curve. With over 300 features, it can feel overwhelming, especially if you're a solopreneur who just wants to build a simple funnel. You'll likely need to invest time in training and tutorials to use the platform effectively. Overall, I think GoHighLevel is the best choice for agencies, local physical businesses, and advanced marketers who need industry-specific templates and complete campaign management tools. It really shines for agencies managing multiple clients. If you're running a digital marketing agency with multiple local business clients, you can manage all their funnels, automations, and campaigns from one dashboard. For local businesses specifically, those pre-built snapshots with industry-specific templates make setup incredibly fast. And finally, coming in at number 4 is Perspective.co. Perspective is different from the other options on this list because it's focused specifically on funnel building with a basic lead tracker and automations rather than being a full marketing suite. If you need email marketing, course hosting, or community features, you'll need to integrate with other tools. But this focused approach is actually Perspective's strength. Perspective is designed for agencies and businesses looking to convert mobile traffic into leads. The platform is built specifically for mobile optimization, which is important because most funnel traffic today comes from mobile devices. What sets Perspective apart is its templates. Perspective currently offers 29 templates, each designed for a specific use case. While Systeme.io, ClickFunnels, and GoHighLevel have more templates, the key difference is that Perspective's templates are all consistently high quality and specifically designed for mobile. With the other platforms, templates can be hit or miss, but with Perspective, you know you're getting a fast-loading, mobile-optimized, conversion-focused template every time. Perspective's templates often include more steps in the funnel, which makes them particularly useful for qualifying leads. For example, in recruitment or high-ticket sales, where you need to filter people before they book a call, Perspective includes some really unique premium blocks that you don't see in other funnel builders. You get stuff like quiz reveal features and address autocomplete, all perfect for lead qualification. The platform also offers personalization features to show different content based on user responses, evergreen webinars that run automatically, and deadline funnels to create urgency. Perspective recently released an AI feature where you can automatically customize an entire funnel using your brand voice. Perspective's editor is intuitive and, in my opinion, even easier to use than ClickFunnels editor. Perspective includes built-in email follow-up sequences, WhatsApp integration, and performance tracking to monitor lead generation and conversions. Typically, you can get a 14-day free trial, but through the link in the description, you can get an extended 30-day free trial. For pricing, I would recommend the Grow plan because it unlocks important features like custom favicons, the ability to remove Perspective branding, individual paths, A/B testing, and more integrations. Overall, I think Perspective is the best choice if you're running paid ads and getting most of your traffic from mobile devices. The mobile-first templates and multi-step qualification funnels are designed to convert mobile traffic and help qualify leads. It's perfect if you're running Facebook or TikTok ads to high-ticket offers. For example, if you're selling a $10,000 coaching program or you're in recruitment and need to qualify dozens of leads per day coming from mobile devices, Perspective's multi-step mobile funnels will give you much higher conversion rates than standard desktop-focused funnels. So which funnel builder is the best choice for you? Here's how I would decide. If you're a complete beginner or working with a limited budget, Systeme.io is a great choice. You can start for free with custom domain support and scale as your business grows. If you want to build funnels with an easy-to-use editor, ClickFunnels is a good option with its intuitive drag-and-drop builder. I think ClickFunnels is especially good for selling high-ticket online courses and programs. If you're an agency owner running a local physical business, or you're an advanced marketer, GoHighLevel is worth considering. With unlimited contacts, industry-specific snapshots, and over 300 features, it's designed to scale with your business. And if you want to build a funnel for generating leads and you're running Facebook ads, TikTok ads, or getting mostly mobile traffic, Perspective is the best option. The unique mobile first templates and multi-step qualification funnels are designed to convert mobile traffic into qualified leads. You'll find complete tutorials, extended free trials, and exclusive deals for all the funnel builders we talked about down below in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.